Butter chicken pizza, a perfect fusion of Indian and Italian flavors. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into a global culinary hotspot? Imagine India's creamy, spiced buttered chicken meeting Italy's cheesy, gooey pizza perfection. Butter chicken pizza is not just a dish, it's an experience that will have food lovers from all walks of life saying, "Mamma mia." Before we dive in, let's make sure you're prepped. Grab fresh naan for the base. For the sauce, prep some rich, creamy butter chicken sauce. Don't forget grilled chicken pieces, loads of mozzarella cheese, and a handful of chopped cilantro. Now, it's time to cook up some magic. Start with soft, fluffy naan, the perfect substitute for traditional pizza dough. It's got that light, chewy texture to soak up the flavors. Lay it flat and get ready to transform it into your global pizza masterpiece. Generously spread the velvety butter chicken sauce over the naan. This luscious blend of tomatoes, cream, and spices is the heart of your fusion pizza. Make sure every inch is covered, it's what ties the Indian and Italian flavors together. Scatter tender, juicy pieces of grilled chicken over the sauce. The smoky richness of the chicken perfectly complements the sauce. This is where your pizza starts looking irresistible. Bonus points if you sneak in a taste before moving on, chef's privilege. Now, for the classic Italian twist, mozzarella. Sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese until the chicken is lightly blanketed. As it bakes, the cheese will melt into bubbly perfection, creating a stretchy magic that every pizza lover adores. Once your butter chicken pizza is fresh out of the oven, top it off with chopped cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. This final touch brings in freshness while tying together its unique, international taste profile. And there you have it, butter chicken pizza, a global culinary adventure in every bite. As you take your first slice, revel in the creamy, smoky, cheesy harmony that makes this fusion dish unforgettable. Share it with family or keep it all to yourself, we won't judge. Craving more creative recipes like this? Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your fusion masterpieces with us. Butter chicken pizza is just the start. Join us in exploring flavors from around the world, one dish at a time. Ready to create your own? Let's get cooking.